Let's compare the cheap versus the expensive cheese block. Let's do the cheap one first. I like how this one is small and handy to use. And it's not as scary to use because you don't really care if it pops. Also, the skin is thick, so I doubt it'll pop. And you can also see the shaving cream they use in it. I would rate this a 7 out of 10. Next, the expensive cheese block. The outside is less thicker than the cheap one. The texture is also sticky like a tub of squish. This one gets dirty quickly because of it. Even if you squeeze it that hard, you can't really see what's in it. As for the price though, it's not really justifying. I say all squishies should